Hey guys, welcome back to Perfect Duo, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a video on these edges 4C. As you can tell, you know, my hair isn't sleek or slick, so please don't mind my hair. I'm going to be putting something on. I know it looks a little crazy right now, you know, but we're going to get that fixed with our edges laid, okay? Some of my favorite products that I'm going to be using is Gorilla Snot Gel, the yellow one. I think it's maximum hold, yes, 10. Alright, so an old toothbrush you're going to need, some water, and the brush. So first, I'm going to be brushing my edges back. Then I'm going to be pulling out my hairs to make the edges. I forgot to mention I'll be putting on the edge wax before I put on the Gorilla Snot. Now I'm applying the Gorilla Snot. After applying the Gorilla Snot, I'm going to be swooping it back. Now I'm going to tie it down for about 15 minutes. This is the final look. I love this hairstyle. You can wear this hairstyle when your hair isn't done. Also, remember to comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.